from the second I came here to the emergency room, I knew I made the right decision. The quick thinking, the nurse here, giving me aspirin right away, a shot of Lovenox, and then the doctor coming to see me very, very quickly and explaining the situation to me really put me at ease. This is just a building. This is just walls. And thank you so much for helping to support the community to build these walls. But it's really what is inside the walls that makes a difference. And it's the people that work here. It's the nurses, it's the staff. Now I get on medications from the pharmacy here. It's the great clergy that came in and held my hand and prayed with me when I was going through what I was going through. And I feel really, really fortunate to be here. Not only be here at this podium, but to be here with my family after what I went through. Thank you from the entire community, because we really, really need this hospital. We need more important the people that work here.